Welcome guys, another video from Classic Games United, right? And in today's video I'm gonna show you all how to fix the errors that you're having. Error code 35 when you start the game and you cannot get into the main menu, and the activation key error, and also the running install script error when you start the game on Steam. So I don't have all the errors to show you, but this is a copy that I got from someone. Alright, so if you're having this error, and if you're having the activation key error, and if you're having error code 35, then I'm going to show you all the simple tips on how to fix that, right? So I'll be back, guys. Alright guys, so this is like part 1, right? Part 1, you will need to go to this site. I'll put the link in the description, and then you'll need to download this Visual C++ redistributables, right? These are program runtimes needed to run older games, right? So once you download it now, you will have to like download WinRAR. Download. Go to WinRAR. Alright, choose your language and choose your 64-bit or 32-bit, sorry, and you will install WinRAR. Alright, and once you download this, you'll extract it and make a folder, extract Visual C runtime all-in-one. So create a folder and click the install button, and it will install everything for you here, right? So I'm going to go to here, and I already have this stuff installed on my PC. All right, I already have it installed on my PC. This is very important, right? And you'll go to here, install DirectX runtime, install that, install this. Alright, I'll put the link in the description. And another thing, you could just go to the game on Steam or wherever, and then you could just go to Redis, wherever. If you're looking Steam folder and you see anything like this, install these files. Very important. Alright, another thing too, for if you're having problems, Steam version. Alright, just follow all these tips. Go to program files. Go to, if you're having the runtime script error, go to Steam. Right, go to app cache and delete this. You just back it up, make sure and add it to back it up, add it to your creator raw, and then delete this. If you're having the runtime error, right, delete this. Alright, and then you will just clear your cache in Steam. You will verify your files on Steam and see that will work, right? So make sure and follow these steps, guys. So step 2 now, you will go to here, make sure firewall is off, completely off. Go to system and security, Windows Defender firewall, and make sure firewall is completely turned off. Alright, and then you'll go to settings on your PC. Alright, go to update and security, go to Windows security, and make sure, well, I'm using Avast, right? Make sure that your antivirus or your virus protection is off. Turn off everything here, guys. Turn off everything. I repeat, turn off everything here, because they will block the game and the game wouldn't work. Alright, as I will show you all in Avast. Because my virus protection is Avast antivirus. So for me, I have core shields, I have this off. Yes, I have all this stuff off because I have firewall off as well. Make sure firewall is off in antivirus. Alright, I have this off, I have this on. So make sure antivirus and your virus protection and chat is off. Then you will just go back and go to firewall. Make sure your firewall is off, make sure everything is off in your firewall. Go to apps and browser control, turn off everything here, turn off smart screen. Yesterday someone was having a problem and it was saying smart screen has blocked the launcher, so turn off smart screen, turn off everything. Alright, and another thing, for the Steam version, if you don't want to delete any stuff in your Steam folder, you will need to download the torrent version, which I will provide, right? So as you can see here, just now, this guy here installed he was having problem on Steam with the same runtime error, and he installed the version I provided here. He installed this and then it worked. So if you're having runtime error or runtime installing error, if you're having this error on Steam, let me show you. If you're having this error on Steam, then this torrent version will work for you, right? And if you're having activation key error, if you're having like error 35, all the fixes that I show you guys, this I guarantee it will work. And if it doesn't work, then you could join the Discord server and I will help you guys, right? So I believe that is everything that I covered in this video. That is all the fix that you will need. Turn off your virus protection, turn off antivirus protection, disable smart screen, install your distributables, and your game should work. All right, so this is a very simple tutorial, right? And after I was having problem with the torrent version, but after I did these steps, you know, it worked. All right, so I'm gonna start up the torrent version, and everything should work. Click on the Chrome. Another thing too, guys, make sure that when you're updating the game, you're updating the launcher, you click on here and you update the launcher from here. All right, this is the easiest way to update the game launcher. So I'm just gonna press and play. All right, just give it a while to start up. So that is all the fixes, all the troubleshooting. If your game is not working, Steam and other versions, this is the steps to follow if you all want the game to work. All right, trust me, if you turn off virus protection, nothing will happen to your PC. I don't have these stuff on because these virus protection will delete your game files. It will mess up your game files and it will corrupt the game launcher, the TCU launcher, and your game will get activation key error and your game wouldn't start. All right, so follow the video, guys, and that's, you know. So I'm just gonna start the game for you guys and show you that it's working. This is the torrent Ubisoft version. As you can see, the Ubisoft app here. This is the Ubisoft app, as you see. So I'm just gonna start up the game and show you that it's working, right? Classic Games United always here to help you guys, so don't worry. So join me Discord server for a copy of the game. I don't need money. All I just need is loyal members. And have a little Ubisoft servers is not working error. Just keep on pressing OK and I should be able to get into the game. All right, so okay, it's supposed to work. Alright guys, it's working, as you see. Alright, it's working, guys. Always happy to help you guys, always happy to make this type of videos for you guys. So I just see it's working. It's working, it's working, it's working. Alright, so I believe this is all the proof that you all need. The game is working and it's working fine. 60 FPS. Yeah, so guys, this is it for this video for today. Thanks for watching. Classic Games United out. If you're still having problems while watching this video and you follow all these steps and the game is still not working, join the Discord server and you will need the torrent file version. If your Steam version is not working, join the Discord server for that, and don't forget to subscribe, guys, and I'll see you next video to come. Classic Games United out.